Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Justina Uche and welcome to Exceptional World. In this video I will be teaching us how to create a sales funnel. But before we go into the practical aspect, what is a sales funnel? A sales funnel is a marketing term for the journey potential customers go through on the way to purchasing your product. There are several steps to a sales funnel. We have the top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel. Okay, the sales funnel is the pathway in which the customer goes through until he or she lands on your product. So I'll be teaching you how to create a sales funnel. Now, let's say you have installed your WordPress. Once you get your domain and hosting from Namecheap, I recommend Namecheap because just as the name implies, they are actually cheap. So let's say you have installed your WordPress. You get your domain name from Namecheap. I recommend Namecheap because just as the name implies, that's how cheap the domains are. Okay? And their customer service is top-notch. You can call on them any time of the day and you'll be rest assured that there is someone to solve your issue. So you've got site from Namecheap, and then your cPanel details are sent to your email. You go to your cPanel and install WordPress. So this video is not for all that. We're going straight to setting up our sales funnel. Now my WordPress is already installed and I've logged into my WordPress. As you can see, this is the WordPress dashboard. You come here and there are a whole lot of plugins you will need to install. Now on your own dashboard you won't see Elementor here. It's because we want to create the sales funnel rather using the Elementor website builder. Okay, so you go to plugins and you click on add new. You click on that. Once you click on add new, it takes you to where there are a whole lot of plugins. You just come to the search bar and type in Elementor. As you can see, it's already installed. That's why you're seeing update now. But in yours, you'll be seeing install now. And once you click on install now, you will see activate. Okay, so once you click on activate, then it's activated on your WordPress, and then it's gonna be here. You see it here. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to go to your settings. This is very important. Go to your permalinks because you don't want your website URL looking somehow. So you always ensure that your website URL is on post name. You see, post name. If it's on plain, you take it to post name. This is very important. And once you're done, you click on save changes. Okay, so let's go back to Elementor. Now you have your Elementor here. Now you go down and you click on get started. Once you click on get started, you're going to see a page like this telling you let's create your first page. Okay, now we want to create our various landing pages. Okay, so you click on your first page. So you can see this is the Elementor where you will build your website. Now these are widgets. All these sidebars will be removed. Okay, so let's go. On Elementor, whenever you want to create a page, you click on this plus. Once you click on this plus, you search for the structures you want. If you want just one phase, 2, 3, 4, as the case may, you decide what you want here. But for me, I'm going for this first, and I click on it. And then for you to write anything here, you have to click on this plus. Okay, and then this is for inner section, heading, image, text editor. You just make your choice. On Elementor we have the drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop pattern. So I want to get my heading done, and I click on this, I drag it. You drag until you see the blue line, and then you let it go. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your stuff here. You click on this button for it to edit it, and then you edit it to whatever suits you. Or as you can see on the left hand side, it's also edited. You can even come here to edit it as well immediately, and then you type your heading, whatever you're promoting. You can say this is, let's say, because for a sales funnel, you know, we have the opt-in, we have the pre-sell, we have the thank you page, and then as an affiliate you don't need a sales page because it's already done for you. So we want to create our pre-sell now, and we want to give a good lead magnet. Okay, this is creating it from the scratch. Okay, so as you can see, find out how a mother of 3 became a celebrity in 3 months. Okay, so I want this to be at the center. I can see you. Whatever you want to do is on the left hand side. So I click on center. Can you see? Then the size, I can large. Can you see? Then if you have a URL, if you want to direct them to another website, you can insert the URL here. Okay, and then I want to change the color. Okay, you need more space. You can drag this to get more space. Okay, change the color. I click on style, as you can see on my screen. And then I don't like this color. I can change the color to red, bring it down, adjust it to suit what I want. Okay, okay, okay. No, so this is what I want right now. So this is fine. That's fine. Okay, this is fine. Whatever you want, how you want it, it's okay. Let's go for advanced. Just any other thing I need. Okay, let's see, how do I want it? Let's see. Can you see that? Can you see that? How do you want it to come in? Can you see that? So you make all that adjustments from the left side. This is the motion effect. So now the background, If you want to change the background color or background type, you can do that here. Whatever you want to do, position, anyhow you want to be positioned, you can do that here. Okay, and very important, you should always ensure it is mobile friendly. Okay, always ensure it is mobile friendly. Always ensure you check the appearance. Let's preview it and see. Okay, you see how it moved? Okay, so now we have to check. Okay, now you click on this responsive mode. Okay, you have to check if how it's going to appear on the mobile phone. Okay, you check how it's going to appear on a tablet. Okay, you check how it's going to appear on a laptop. So you can see, so you want to check that, you click on responsive mode. You want to preview, you click on this icon that looks like an eye. Okay, alright, and then let's go on. You want to create more. You want to write your text. So I scroll down and I want to write my text. Now I click on this and then I click on this plus. Okay, now to write my text, I drag and drop. Now to make things faster, you come to this area and click on this. Once you click on this full screen, it takes you to where you can type your text. Like I told you in my previous video, that we use the spin booth and the paper writer. You get whatever you want to write on that product, you go to spin booth and rewrite the text. Go to paper writer to check for plagiarism, spelling and grammar, and then you come here and just you paste it here. Also, you can go to a freelancer to get the job done, or you can read about the product on your own or from the sales page of the vendor, and write the content yourself. So once you are done, click back here, okay, to take you back to where you were before. Alright, and then you go on and on until you are satisfied, and then once you're done here, you must ensure you click on publish. If not, all your work will get lost. Okay, so whatever modification you want to modify this, let's say I want to modify this text here. Okay, I'm going to click on center. If I want to center, if I want to justify, right, as you can see, left, as you can see on my screen, I want to change the color. I can go down and select, make it darker, as you can see on my screen. Okay, and then you go to advanced. I can go, if I want to change the motion effect, the background. Okay, I scroll down. Okay, for this video we're using the Elementor free. Okay, we have the pro version and the free version, so we're using the free version for this video. Okay, so once you're done, and then you click on publish. If you don't click on publish, it's gone. You have to start afresh. Okay, so this is what you're going to do for each of your website. Okay, so now let's say you want to integrate a website. You want to integrate a website to this, like you want them to learn from your presell to your opt-in. Okay, from your opt-in to your thank you page, just like that. Now you come here, you click on this plus, and then you drag this button and place it here. Okay, this is a call to action. This is a call to action button. Now on this call to action, you're going to place it properly because it's on the left hand side. So you take it to the center, to the center. Okay, and then you can see all I'm doing. The size, you have to increase it large. You can see that. You can also say extra large. You can see that. Okay, and then can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? So it depends on the adjustment. The icon spacing is here. Can you see that? Okay, so we'll leave it at that. Then you come here, the text. If you don't want to see, click here. You come here and type the text. Let's say I'm typing let's see I say get instant access. Can you see that? Good. So you want to attach the URL of your opt-in page. Okay, you want them, once they click here, they should land on your opt-in page. Okay, you can now come here and insert the URL of the opt-in page. So you have to create each of the pages separately. So this is the presell we're creating now. Okay, and then you want to add the URL of the opt-in here. So once you do that, you're going to add it here. Okay, so let's just publish this. We'll come back to it. We're going now, we go back, we've published, we'll go back. We want to create our opt-in page now. Okay, so once you've gone back, you go to pages, not post, pages, all pages. You will see the page you just created now will be there. Okay, so this is the page we just created now. As you can see, we're going to get all this off. Okay, so this is the page just created now, and you can see get instant access. So this is the presell. Okay, and then we want to create our opt-in page. Now for you to create your opt-in page, you have to install another plugin. Now this plugin is called, you go to plugins, go to add new, you type in here WordPress forms. WordPress forms. Okay, so this is the plugin we're going to install. Okay, you see I've not installed it, and that's why I see install. So this is the plugin we're going to install for you to be able to collect leads, okay, on your Elementor. Okay, so you click on install now, and whenever you want to install any plugin, ensure you see it down here compatible with your version of WordPress. Ensure that is what you're seeing there. If not, you might have some issues. Okay, so you click on activate. Okay, so when it's activated, you see it takes us here straight away for us to create our first web form. So you say create my first form. So it's creating, it's trying to load. You type in, enter your form name. Now the name of the product you want to promote, let's say is host presell. Okay, that's the name of our form, and then it's an opt-in form we want to create, right? So you click on use template. Okay, so it's trying to load up, and then you can see this is our form. the name, the last name, and the email. So for an affiliate product, please do not bother yourself with the last name, because some people might get bored with that. So you just go and edit it, and then you type here just the name. You just keep it simple, okay? Just the name. You can edit here by saying first name, okay? Make it simple, and then the email, and that's to go. Now you can see for the submit button, you can once you click on it, you can edit it and say get access. Let me use uppercase, get access. Then here they said sending, you can edit it and say processing. Okay, so once you're done, you always ensure you save. Okay, so for this version, it's also a free version. Okay, the web form, it has a free and a pro. So for you to use the marketing tool here, Aweber, GetResponse, Mailchimp, you have to go on the pro version. Okay, so once you're on the pro version, you can integrate any of these autoresponder to your form. Okay, but for now we're going to insert our form on our WordPress. So you save and then you close. Once you close this, we want to integrate this form on our Elementor website builder. Okay, so now we take this short code, you highlight it. Once you highlight it, you copy it, and now we go to create another page, which is the opt-in page. So we click on pages, all pages, we'll click on add new. Once you click on add new, you click on edit with Elementor. Okay, as you can see, so you click on this plus for you to type, and I click on this form. It's just one form, and then you click on the plus, and then you go down. Plus takes me down here, so I scroll down. Now we have our WP form here. Okay, that there's another way you can do it. You scroll down and look for short codes. Okay, let's go down. Can you see short codes? Now if you drag this here and place it here, you will have to paste that short code. You see, once I paste it, watch, can you see? Good. So once you do this, you click on apply. That is one of the ways. Click on this place, you click on this plus, you click on this plus, and then you scroll down and you see web forms. You drag it and drop it, and then say WP form, because you've already installed it, and say select a form, and that's presell. Okay, so whichever way, this is how to get your opt-in page done. Here we want to integrate this opt-in page to the presell page we created earlier. You click on publish and have a look. Now this is the URL of this presell. Take a look at this place. You copy this URL, you copy it, okay, and then you go back, and then you go back again, So we want to integrate that URL into the presell page. So this is the presell page. You edit with Elementor. It's trying to load up. Okay, so you see this is the presell page we did earlier, and then we want to insert the opt-in page to this. So once they click on this, the opt-in page should land on the opt-in page. So click on this, we want to edit it. So are you seeing? So I want to paste my URL there now. I paste it and then I update. Okay, you can also preview it. Let's click on it. Can you see that? Good. So once they click on it, they landed on my opt-in. Once they click on the opt-in, they should, once they fill the details here, they should land on your thank you page. So let's go to how they can land on your thank you page. So we'll go back here, and then we're done here. We go back because we've saved it already. So we go back and want to create the thank you page. So you click on add new. This is for Elementor free version. Okay, want to create the thank you page first. So you click on edit with Elementor, and then you do same thing, you plus, and you type in here, click on here, and then you bring your header, type in here, or you come here to type as I said earlier, and you say thank you. Then you make it center, you come here center, and then you increase it. You just increase it whatever you want. You can change the color if you don't like it. You can change the color. You come to style and change the color to whatever color you want. Okay, whatever that suits you. Can you see that? Okay, then you can now insert the text here, like telling them where they should go and check it. You can come here and click on this and then edit it from here, like I said earlier. Okay, I say kindly click on the link send, just something like this. Then you now tell them to check, say check your inbox, comma promotion, comma spam, and all that folders. Okay, just can just say that, and then you do all your necessary editing here. You check for the color. To get more of this, you click on this toolbar. Okay, and then you click on color, black, bold. Okay, if you want in the center, whatever. Okay, and then you click back on the full screen, and then here we have it. So then this is all they need to do here. They will land on this, and then they go to their emails to confirm their subscription. So now this URL, I think we're done here for this is just for illustration. You can modify it and make it beautiful. You click on publish, and then say have a look. Okay, so now we are trying to look at the site. You see all this is making the site look very ugly, but we're going to remove it. So you click on this to get the URL of this site. Okay, you copy, and then we go back. So here we are. So you remember your form, okay? The form you created. You go to all forms. The form you created. Go to edit form, because now we want to insert the URL of the thank you page, so that once they click on get access, they will land on the thank you page. So once you come here back to the form, remember your URL you just copied. Okay, there are so many ways to get this done. Now this form is the optional form we just created. Now you click here on notification. If you want to get notified when people sign up, you write your email here. Okay, when people sign up, send to email and all that, they will get sending the notification when people sign up and all that. Then now that form that they're going to fill, you click on confirmation. Okay, confirmation. Now once you come here, we have different type. It's either this message goes to them once they insert their emails, but that is not what you want. What you want is you want them to land on the thank you page. Okay, you want them to land on your thank you page. So you're going to edit this message totally. What you're going to do here, you click here and say go to URL. Okay, once you click on URL, you take confirmation URL, that is the thank you page, you insert it. Okay, and we always save. So once you've inserted the URL, now you've saved, you can now close. So let's go back and see. Okay, so now let's go to all pages and test run the system. Okay, this is the site for the presell. Good. You click on get instant access. Good. You put in your details. Let me say exceptional word. And then I click on get access. So just take a look. Can you see it took them to my thank you page? So this is how to create the channels. Email they will get to confirm their subscription. Once they confirm their subscription from the email, they should land on the sales page. Okay, they should land on the sales page. So let's quickly get off this. Okay, now you want to get off those things. You go to settings, so you go to appearance, go to widgets. I'm going to delete those. I'm going to delete all those sidebars and all that. So we click here and we go down, remove block, removing all this. We don't need it. We don't need it. So they're making our site look ugly. So you see, you have to remove them. By removing all of them, removing them, you click on update. Ensure you always save your work. Okay, Then we go down, still on appearance, to customize. We want to make our site look good. So you go to customize. On this customize, there are a whole lot of things you can do. Okay, there are a whole lot of things you can do. So you come to home settings, you can change whatever you're seeing here. If you don't like it, you go back. Site identity, yeah, you give your site a title and a tagline. You can also give your site an icon. Okay, it can be your image or something. And then here you check how it looks on the tablet, on mobile. It's very important. Sidebar, got it. Here, if you want to add sidebars, you can add it, but we don't need it. Okay, we don't need any sidebar here. If we want to, once there, we've removed it, so we're not adding. Okay, I'm gonna remove. So that is that for widgets. Home page settings. Okay, I've talked about this. The general option, general styling, WordPress head, custom file. If you choose custom file, self file will be created, upload. So you just leave all this the way they are. Then the primary color, anyhow, the color, how do you want your website to look like? The color of your website, how do you want it? So whatever you choose, ensure to save. Okay, then title page. You want the title page to be visible on all tablet or mobile. You choose from there. Then the headline tags and all that. The style, how do you want it? You make your choice. You just play around all these to get the best for your site. Then the scroll bar, a scroll button. How do you want it? You want this, you want this, you make a choice. Okay, I've not really used that. Then forms, I don't think you need this. Don't see. Then that is all. Performance. Okay, let's go to another option. Topograph, general. The fonts are the various fonts. The body. Choose your font here. Okay, whatever you want, the font you want for the body. Okay, you make your choice there. Then the font style. Okay, make your choice there. The text, uppercase, lowercase, leave it at default. Okay, top bar, general. Now when you say enable top bar, now this is it. We're trying to remove this, so we removed it. Just watch what happens. Okay, I see something is up there. Okay, so whatever you do, go back, sidebars, scroll down, if you want to change the background color, not that, you do that here. Footer widget. What's what happened to the footer? You see, let's off it. Okay. Enable footer widget. Are you seeing that? When you disenabled it, what's happened on the right hand side? It went off. Then when you disenabled it. I seen that. Okay, so you can see from here to help you, footer button. So I seen this right up here. Okay, on the footer. This is a footer. Now we want to edit it. If you don't want it at all, you can just disable it, but we need it. Okay, so copyright, your company, it's an exceptional word. Okay, it's a 2021. Okay, and then you delete that. I seen. So see it as adjusted. Then you show on all device, leave it at that, and then you screw down and screw down to see if there are other things you need to adjust on the website. The color, as you can see, that color is black. I can select another color, can change it. Sometimes this thing acts up. Okay, change the color. I don't like that color. Are you seeing the changes? Okay, so you choose what suits you best, and then the line color, text color, and all that. Once you're done, ensure you don't close without publishing. So let's publish and see. Okay, so let's go back to custom. We don't need this. Jesse code. Okay, we're done here. And then we have published it, so we can go. Can now close and go back. Okay, so let's go to all pages. Now we want to view our page and see how it looks like. So you see, those things are off. Okay, you can see those sidebars are off. You can see the changes we made. You can see why you're seeing this. This is the title of my website. Okay, if I remove the title, you won't see it here again. Okay, so we click on it. It takes us to the opt-in. We fill our details. I've done that before. It takes us to the thank you page. Okay, so this is how to create a sales